This is Gadgets Magazine TV, and here's the latest news.
MITSUBISHI Motors Philippines Corporation reached another milestone celebrating its production of 200,000 units of the L300. The iconic utility van has sold more than 190,000 units and is perceived to be the most trusted model in the country because of its dependable engine, durable quality, and affordable price. To mark the occasion, Mr. Takao Kato, Chief Executive Officer of Mitsubishi Motors Corporation Japan, announced their commitment to expand and grow Mitsubishi's Philippine operations by exporting the L300 to other ASEAN countries, making it the only automotive manufacturer in the Philippines to export vehicles. Mitsubishi Motors Philippines Corporation is one of the country's leading automotive assemblers and distributors. It is the longest-staying automotive company in the Philippines, having been in operation for over 56 years as a manufacturer and distributor. Its 23-hectare plant in Santa Rosa, Laguna has a maximum production capacity of 50,000 units, where it locally manufactures the Mirage, Mirage G, and L300.